Pizza bread that's ready in 10 minutes. It's a big hit here at home. Take that loaf of bread left over from breakfast and cut it in half. It's very simple and easy to make. After cutting them in half, we'll arrange them here in the mold and squeeze them in the center of the loaf to crush the core. Next, we'll put tomato sauce on each slice of bread and then drizzle the sauce over them. It's super delicious. Here at home, I make it almost every day. After brushing on the tomato sauce, let's add a slice of mozzarella cheese. We'll fold it in half like this and put it on all the pieces of bread to make our pizza bread very filling. Next, I'm going to add the filling to our pizza bread. I used ham, cheese, and olives, but you can vary the filling of your pizza bread. You can make it with pepperoni, dried meat, shredded chicken, whatever you prefer. Just use your creativity. Once you've stuffed all the rolls, let's add a little oregano on top. It's so delicious. This pizza bread is a big hit here at home. Now just bake it in the oven for up to 10 minutes. And look how wonderful it is! How can you not be enchanted by this recipe? Look how delicious it is! It's mouth-watering. Just make it at home because everyone will love it too. Look at that! Look at that cheese melting. So that's it, my loves. I hope you enjoyed it, and until the next video, bye-bye.